must be eager to appreciate the landscapes of Kunming. Now, please feel its genuine resonance. The resonance rises from thousands who live and love here. It's the welcome of its guardians, the pause of its creators, the echo of those who have returned. They are the ones who turn this resonance into a heartfelt invitation. This time, listen to the voices.
A letter from Kunming inviting the world.
A letter from Kunming
inviting the world.
A letter from Kunming
inviting the world.
深城
有请，
春城有请，
春城有请，
春城
有请，
春城有请，
春城
有请，
春城
有请，
春城有请，
春城有请，
昆明，你，
昆明欢迎您。